In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to replace the ribbon on the Zebra ZXP Series 7 printer by removing the old ribbon and installing a new one correctly.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Now let's begin. First, press the button to open the printer door. Now pull this handle to gain access to the ribbon. This is the new ribbon. I am unboxing it now, and you can easily purchase it online from websites like Alibaba or Amazon. Be careful when unboxing the ribbon and handle it gently to avoid any damage. Now install the ribbon correctly into the printer. It is very easy. Just follow the steps shown in our video. As you can see, a new ribbon has a protective sticker. Carefully remove this sticker before installation. Thank you for watching this Device Doctor video. We have successfully replaced the ribbon on the Zebra ZXP Series 7 printer, restoring it to full printing functionality. Follow each step carefully, and you can achieve the same results at home or in your office. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more professional printer repair and maintenance guides.